You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Following Erica's disqualification from the reality show on Sunday night, BBNaija 2019 winner Mercy Ike was seen crying on a live Instagram video. Erica, one of this year's BBNaija show's contestants, was recently disqualified after being given 2 strikes beforehand and issued a stern warning. Erica had been disqualified for showing flagrant disregard for Biggie's rules, according to Big Brother. Erica, who was a big contender for the game's winner, was seen on Saturday night in a very angry mood as she strongly insulted Laycon, using terms similar to killing and suicide. She also had a problem with Prince, as she seemed to be under alcohol control. A distraught young girl was seen crying and cursing Laycon in the viral video following Erica's sad departure from the BBNaija lockdown house on Sunday evening, 6th of September. The girl blamed Laycon for the disqualification of her favorite housemate, Erica. She claims the rapper is manipulative and he wanted Erica to leave the Big Brother house. In the video, the lady can be heard saying,
that boy, you will suffer them instead of what Erica's over. He's very stupid. That boy will suffer in this life.
There has been a backlash as some social media users are compassionate. Others believe the girl is being stupid for crying over a game show.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, kindly comment and share. Thank you, Boya TV.